Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to find supplier in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to go to the Google just and type here the any products website where people are selling the products. Like here on Alibaba I can check here. So before contact the supplier, just check the product list and everything that required for good and promoting product. Then just click on the contact supplier and now wait for few seconds. So this is just an example for you. You can also find contact supplier from any website that are selling products, so you can easily Google them. So here we will go to select another product like this one. So in this way you can check which supplier is best for your products, so you can easily contact supplier. So this is very easy method to find the supplier in Shopify.